Hey guys, it's John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire, where we smoke meat, fly drones, and do all things neat. Appreciate you stopping by the channel again. If you're new here, take a look around, see what you think, and if you like it, please give me a subscribe. Today we will be doing Creole chicken wings, something simple but something good, so let's get it. All right, so these are the wings I picked up today, and we are going to do 2 layers of shake on them first. I'm just going to hit it with my salt and pepper. I'll get a good layer over all of them. And then we will come back with the Creole seasoning. And this is the season I'm trying out today by Pelletari's Creole seasoning. We will hit it up with a layer of this. Just hit them with a light dusting. Flip them over. And get the back side. Alright, so I'll just mix this in and get the season all over. And I will drop these in the fridge for just a little bit and get the grill ready, and we will bring you back. All right, so the grill is just about ready, and my plan is to cook these vortex style. Don't have a vortex cone, so I'll just be placing the coals in the middle of the grill and then lining up the chicken wings around the coals. And we will just let it rock and roll for a bit, let them crisp up, get some color, and then I'll check back. So we are about to get them on now. All right, so we got the wings on. They are rocking and rolling at about 275. And while they're cooking, we'll go ahead and run in and put together the glaze that we're going to put on. So stick with me. All right, so let's get this glaze put together. Be using Sweet Baby Ray's as the base. Good 4 or 5 tablespoons there. Be using some organic honey, 2 tablespoons. And with a little bit of Bragg's apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons. Fresh red pepper, 2-3 teaspoons. And we'll hit it with a little bit of the Creole. We'll just mix this down. All right, it's been about 30 minutes, so let's get a reading and kind of see where we are. We are reading good, so we will get these in the glaze and then get them back on for just a bit. All right, so let's get our glaze over the wings. We'll just toss it and make sure all the glaze gets all over the wings here. And we will put it back on the grill to let it tack up a bit. All right, guys. So as you can see, the wings are done. They smell amazing, and I can't wait to dig into them. So here we go. And as my boy George would say, salute. Man, that's good. That is awesome. A very good wing. As always, I want to thank you for stopping by the channel. Please leave a like, a comment, tell me how you do your wings, and I appreciate you watching. But before I get out of here, I do want to do a shout out to three of my guys, and that's George at 805 Barbecue Junkie, that's JC at PPC Cook, and that's Lance at Sleeper Barbecue. Go check these guys out. They're amazing cooks, and we will see you next time.